everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to get responses from Google Form. So this is my last Google Form that I had been created. If I want to get responses, I have to share this Google Form to my respondent. Click on the share button and then click on the link button here. Click shorten URL and copy. And after that, you can paste the link to your respondent. And when you get the response, you can go to responses here. And you will see the summary at this tab. Click on the question to see the responses by question. Click on the individual if you want to see the responses by individual, like this. You also can print it if you want. So this is how to get responses from Google Forms. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.